How AI can prevent electrical hazards in the workplace. Are you ready to revolutionize workplace safety and drastically reduce electrical incidents? Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's a powerful tool available now to protect your employees and your bottom line. Electrical hazards are a serious concern in many industries. From arc flashes to electrocution, the consequences can be devastating. Understanding the common causes is the first step in prevention. Human error, equipment failure, and inadequate training are major contributors. Regular inspections and preventative maintenance are crucial, but often fall short due to time constraints and resource limitations. AI can analyze vast amounts of data from sensors and equipment logs. This allows for the prediction of potential failures before they occur, enabling proactive maintenance. Imagine identifying a faulty transformer component weeks before it causes a power outage or, worse, an arc flash. AI algorithms can detect subtle anomalies that humans might miss. This predictive capability minimizes downtime and significantly reduces the risk of electrical accidents. It's about shifting from reactive repairs to proactive prevention. AI-powered monitoring systems can continuously analyze electrical parameters like voltage, current, and temperature. Any deviation from the norm triggers an immediate alert. These systems can differentiate between normal fluctuations and potentially dangerous anomalies. This real-time monitoring provides an extra layer of protection against unexpected electrical events. Furthermore, AI can learn from past incidents to improve its detection capabilities over time. The system becomes smarter and more effective with each passing day. Traditional safety training can be time-consuming and often lacks personalization. AI can create customized training programs tailored to individual roles and skill levels. Interactive simulations and virtual reality environments can provide realistic scenarios for practicing safe electrical procedures. This hands-on experience enhances learning and retention. AI can also track employee compliance with safety protocols and identify areas where additional training is needed. This ensures that everyone is up to date on the latest safety standards. Several companies are already leveraging AI to improve electrical safety. From manufacturing plants to construction sites, the results are impressive. One case study showed a 40% reduction in electrical incidents after implementing an AI-powered predictive maintenance system. Another reported a significant improvement in employee compliance with safety protocols. These real-world examples demonstrate the tangible benefits of integrating AI into your safety management strategy. The technology is proven and readily available. AI is transforming workplace safety, offering unprecedented capabilities for preventing electrical hazards. By embracing this technology, you can protect your employees, reduce downtime, and improve your bottom line. Don't wait for an accident to happen. Take action today. Contact us for a free consultation to explore how AI can revolutionize your electrical safety program. Visit our website to download a white paper on AI-powered predictive maintenance. Invest in the future of safety. Invest in AI.